With over 25 years of experience, Zerock Nigeria was entrusted by Shell to restore an oil well in Agbaya Delta State, deep in the swamps of the Niger Delta. A labyrinth of water and earth that demanded more than equipment. It required precision and planning. The project was executed in a planned 4-phase strategy. The project started at Zerock's facility in Port Harcourt. There, the steel sheet piles were cleaned and treated, and a heavy-duty platform was fabricated and painted. Before installation, a detailed site survey was conducted to ensure perfect alignment. The team then mobilized a dedicated fleet of barges, cranes, speedboats, and houseboats carrying a technical crew. In this complex terrain, security was paramount, requiring 24/7 patrol boats with 24 national soldiers and satellite vigilance to safeguard personnel and assets. On location, steel sheet piles were driven to form a waterproof cofferdam. Certified divers sealed the structure underwater, while industrial pumps created a dry work area for working on the platform's main piles. In the final phase, the custom-built platform was transported from Port Harcourt on a 7-day journey. Upon arrival, its legs were aligned and welded onto the pre-driven piles, allowing the well rig team to restore oil well production to its original 2,300 barrels per day. Despite the tough environment and security demands, the project was delivered safely, on time, and to the highest standards.